RPA stands for Robot Process Automation, an innovative technology that aims to automate manual, time-consuming, rule-based business processes while providing scalability during peak times and significantly reducing the number of errors in the process. UiPath accomplishes that by emulating the interaction between humans and business applications. This means that the robots can open and close applications, navigate through a menu, perform clicks and selections, switch between several systems, and take many more actions in a similar way that a human user would. To give you a better understanding of what RPA is and what it does, we have automated a process which involves a mix of applications. In this example, the robot will take as input an Excel file, which contains the code, name, email address, and SAP number for various people. The requirement is to gather the missing information for each user in the file and update it in a separate column. In order to do that, we will use several applications: an AS400 terminal, Salesforce, a web-based application, Expense IT, a desktop application, and the SAP platform. When the robot has finished gathering the data for a user, it will add it to a template in Word, which will afterwards be converted to PDF and emailed to a designated person. At the end of the process, each user record in Excel will be marked as done. Let us now introduce UiPath Studio, the designer tool where the automation workflows and process maps are created. The main components are the Activities pane on the left-hand side, the Properties pane for each activity on the right, and the designer surface in the center. What you are seeing on the screen is a sequence of activities and decision points representing the process proposed for automation. The robot follows the arrows and executes each step from the workflow in a predefined order according to the business rules for this process. Let's run this in slow motion to understand how it works. We'll just click on Start Debug, and then the rest of the activities will be carried out by the robot. On the right-hand side, you will see the robot going through each activity in the workflow, while the actual applications will be displayed on the left-hand side. As you can see, the workflow starts by opening all the applications that it's going to use. This is the AS400 terminal. Based on the user code specified in the Excel file, the robot navigates through the pages of the terminal and counts the number of appearances for each code. The count result is added in the corresponding column in Excel. In Salesforce, the robot first runs a search by the user's email address to check whether that person already has a Salesforce account or a new one needs to be created. As you can see, the account for the first user exists, so the robot moves to the next application. In Expense IT, a new transaction is created for the user, and the new balance is added in Excel. In SAP, the robot executes the PA10 transaction, retrieving the job position for each user. All the data is now added in the Word template, and as you can see, the converted PDF is already in the inbox. Now let's run the process at full speed for the rest of the records. The second user is not found in Salesforce, so the robot creates a new account then continues with creating the new transaction in Expense IT, retrieving the position from SAP, and emailing the final document. UiPath has the ability to interact with different applications, just as a human user would. As you have just witnessed, a highly manual and tedious work involving native, web, and mainframe applications has been automated in UiPath Studio with little effort, resulting in a faster and error-free process. The workflow created has a modular structure, is highly visual, and easy to follow. Each step or activity has a clear description and is associated with a screenshot, which makes the workflow reading and maintenance extremely easy.